Hello teachers, in this video we are going to test Testmos app for assessment. Type testmos.com. It will take you to this window. For Testmos you can assign from your mobile as well, not only in desktop, also you can use this app in mobile phone. Same Google Chrome, you can type testmos.com and you can follow all these instructions. So click on build a test. As we are going to use a free version, we have to click on build a test. Here I will tell you, you can get 100 response. You can assign 50 questions per test and 100 responses you can get for a test. Okay. So first we are going to type the test name. I'm going to type as life skill demo. Choose a password. You have to remember this password always. You should not forget this password. So next this window will come. Here you can see a dashboard. How to adjust setting, all the instructions they will be giving you. How to adjust the settings, adding question, how to publish and distribute, how to view results, that also they will show. We are going to add. First we are going to do adjust settings. So here test name is introduction. If you want to give any introduction to the children, that you can type it here. So you can select a theme, which theme you are going to use, that you have to select. Okay. Choose the language for the Testmos student interface, that you can select, as well as let it to be detect automatically, or else choose it as English. Question settings. Show all the test question on one page, or else show one question per page. It means if they are using, children are, if your students are using a mobile phone, font will be small. So if you feel like that, if you are using mobile phone, if you are using desktop, means you can select one question per page. Allow students to jump around to different questions in the test, or only the student to move forward after answering the question. That you just keep it safe, don't change the settings. After each question is answered, indicate if the student's response was correct or incorrect. Don't want, as it is an assessment, we are not going to allow them to correct their answers. Display the correct answer, show the explanation. Don't show anything, just move on to the next question. I'm going to click this. Next, review settings. If you want to randomize the order of the questions, you can click on it. If you don't want that, you can deselect it. Review settings. These settings control what happens after the test is completed and submitted by the test taker. So show a customized message if the student passed or failed. You can show at the end of the test, display the user's score, test outline, that is indicating if their response was correct or incorrect. Display the correct answer, display the explanation. That you have to select and keep it. It will be required to know the correct answer. So next, access control. Anyone can access, who can take your test. Anyone can take test, or else anyone who enters a passcode of my choice, anyone who enters a unique identifier like student ID, employee ID, like that. You can click on select anyone who enters an email ID from a list that is specified. We can select anyone who enters a passcode of my choice. You have to select a password here. So I'm selecting this password. So whenever you are selecting a password, you have to remind this passcode. Next, how much time you have to remember this passcode. Next is how much time to test taker have to complete the test. Unlimited, or you can give time. So let them take their time. So I'm giving unlimited. So how many times can someone take your test? No, they have to take it only one time. Next, what should test taker enter to identify themselves? They have to enter your name. Next is browser functionality. Disable right click to context menu, disable copy paste, disable translate, disable autocomplete, disable spell check. These are all for paid version. Okay. Next, notification. Do you want to receive an email whenever someone finish this test? If yes, and send them to this email ID that you can mention here, or else no. Then save. What all the question we can assign in this free version? Multiple choice, that is choose the correct answer. Any one option they can select. Next is they can select more than one. Next, true or false, matching, fill in the blanks, then essay. Other than that, these all are paid version. So we are going to add multiple choice question first. First question. So this is the question. If you want to block it, you can select this and then it will be in a block 1. Next, choice 1. If you feel like don't want this choice, you can delete it. If you want to show explanation and give explanation, that will be for paid version. If you want to raise the points, that also you can do here. Next, you are going to enter multiple choice, choose many. So here you can see insert image here. That also you can insert. So if you are an English teacher, if you want to add any picture comprehension question, that also you can add like this. You have to take the image link, copy image link and paste it over here to insert the picture. So the picture will be appearing here. So you can resize it and ask the questions. So you can add points if you want. So next we are going to add true or false question. Next we are adding match. So here for example they have given, I'm going to leave then in, like that itself. I'm not going to change it. Okay, so here I will show you. So next we are going to add matching. See, here also you can insert image by clicking the link, and then you can give the correct option straight to that question. Okay. Next we are going to add fill in the blanks. If you want to add any possible answers, that also you can add here. Next we are going to add essay. That is, here we will be giving the question, children will be writing the typing the answer. If you want to add any videos, that also you can add here. If you want to add any file here, that also you can add. Okay. You can give colors, you can underline the question, or else you can insert any, if you want to insert any link, that also you can insert. If you want to add any video, that also you can add. See, color also we can change. Okay. I'm just giving points randomly. Next we are going to say. Okay, so now we are going to publish this page. Here for publishing this test, you can open this test, so students will join and finish the test, or else you can schedule the test for timing, that will be paid version. You can close the test, that also for paid version. Okay, let's go and see in the students preview. Paste. So students should type their name, then passcode. It will ask the code. Then continue. Where do we get water? So let me answer all the question. So you can see what are the answers are correct and what are the answers are wrong. That also you can see, isn't it? Yes. So children can see their marks, points as well as their answers, whether it is correct or wrong. Let me show you how it will be visible in the teachers. The teachers how can take the report that we can see now. Now result page. Here you can see the report page. You can export it as point grid if you want. You can export it as response grid if you want. I will show you how it will look like. So when they have started and when they have finished, that timing is also here. Let me show this. First I'm opening the point grid. So you can see how many points they have earned. This will be visible here. Next is response grid. That means what all the answers they have given. You can see here. Okay. So it is easy for assessment. The next option is you can make a clone. Clone means you can make another copy of this test. That you can make from here. Duplicate copy of this test. Another one option is share with the co-worker. Co-teacher also you can share with them. Next is clear data. That means all the test paper and data will be cleared here. You can change your admin password as well. Thank you teachers. Hope it is useful.